I have no idea what happened. Did a great meditation. It did not go live to Facebook, and now the recording isn't allowing me to upload. I swear, guys, I'm having a good time figuring out these programs, so I'm very sorry for the late start. We'll jump right in. The meditation today is keeping our mind quiet. So my mind is anything but quiet right now, so please excuse me. What we're going to do is quickly step into that beautiful stream of energy that flows through us. And we're going to sit in that and notice the thoughts as they come. When they come, you just want to acknowledge that there's a thought, not get into it, and stay inside that river of beautiful energy flowing through you. The goal here is, as we do this, to eventually be able to step into that anytime during the day, because it's in that flow that you have the insightfulness, the intuitiveness, the quietness, the calmness, the answers. And I can't promise you the answers all the time, because I step into that flow and I still have trouble with all this computer stuff. But let's get started. And again, I'm sorry that this is a second round. Hopefully you can join me. Take a deep breath and just relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. And just take a deep breath and relax. And you already notice that beautiful river of energy that flows from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. You already feel that flow, that nourishment, that love, that peacefulness. It's just there. It's always there. And we're just going to sit in it, kind of step back into it, and feel it flowing through. And whenever a thought or an image, a sound distracts you, which it will, just go back into that flow of abundant love and peace, that perfect flow of everything you need. And be in that quiet place. When a distraction occurs, move back in, and we'll remain quiet for several minutes. This is the most powerful place to be, a very peaceful place. You start to notice that you are a witness to what is occurring. It is not actually occurring to you. And this is powerful. So for a moment, just for, let's say, a quick prayer of thanksgiving in your mind for the opportunity to experience this strength. And as we bring our consciousness back in, we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for coming in, even though I was a little bit late. I did do one, it just didn't work right. But throughout the day, guys, step into this quietness, even if it's just for a second or two. Start getting used to it. This is how you powerfully and safely open up your intuition. When you step into that, you've already said your prayers of protection when you started your meditation this morning. So you're safe to move into that quiet spot for inspiration. Grab it, take advantage of it, start practicing it. And I'd love to hear your feedback, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great, blessed day, and feel free to send me any questions. Bye.